Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another Yu-Gi-Oh video. Today we got some Legacy of Valiant. 3 packs, 3 chances of pulling some amazing pulls. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Booster Beast Breaks. So, let's get into this so we can open some stuff. I can open it. There we go. Like always, we're going to open 3 packs and then go through them. In hopes of getting some amazing pulls. Okay, Sylvan Blessing, Black, Do. Then we got Ghost, Trick, Go Around, Dragon Ritual, Purge, Ghost Trick, and Beast of the Forest. Okay. Next up we got Deep Space, Black, Mystic. Then we got number C69, Crest of Honor, Horde. And then we got Rank Up Magic Force, OXZ, Ghoul, Snapdragon. Next we got Photon Charge Man, Ghost Trick Yeti, Standoff, Ghost Trick, Hidden Temple, Deep Space Crusher, Black, Mystic, and Cerberus. Bye bye. This video has been brought to you by your boy Booster Beast. Bye bye.